Machine learning (ML) is a subset of artificial intelligence (AI) that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that allow computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. It involves training a model on a dataset and using the trained model to make predictions or take actions on new, unseen data. The core idea behind machine learning is to enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following a predefined set of rules, machine learning algorithms learn patterns and relationships from the data through a process called training.